Discover Nourish, the core of ageless by Dr. Ronnie. It's more than a multivitamin, it's nature's wisdom in a capsule.
I'm Dr. Ronnie, the creator of Ageless Eyes. Nourish isn't just a supplement, it's a commitment to your vitality.
Elevate your well-being with Nourish, a premium eye health supplement with the full range of B vitamins, mineral chelates, antioxidants, unique tocotrienols, plus potent plant-derived compounds backed by science to support your eyes.
It has curated and powerful ingredients that support not only your eyes, but also your entire body.
Enriched with nature's blue blocker, lutein, and bioflavonoids like wild blueberry, broccoli extract, quercetin, resveratrol, and more. Nourish is curated for vibrant health and vision. Embrace a healthier you, an ageless you, a bridge to the vitality your body craves, while supporting your precious vision. Visit our website to experience Nourish, your essential partner for thriving and wellness.
Stay ageless with Nourish.
Nourish. Elevate your life, and envision a brighter future with eyes that see the world anew.